This evening we are making a pork adobo. I'm the guest chef and I can't wait for this experience. Come and join us. Welcome to the Corteciano vlog. This evening we are making a pork adobo. I'm the guest chef and I can't wait for this experience. Come and join us as we enjoy the culinary delights from the Corteciano Family recipe. Shh, it's top secret. So first step is we have our preheated pan with our oil and I'm going to saute half of this garlic. Listen to it sizzle. Wow, oh, the scent is mesmerizing. This is going to be some meal. Come and join us. Just a little brown. We add some of our onions here. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is the place to be. Come on. I bet you can't wait for the next step. Stage 3, moving on to our pre-boiled pork. Oh, whoa. And in it goes. Let those babies rock. Wow. Don't be shy. I could be your guide. Shall we put it all in? Yeah, here we go. Yay! It's all part of the fun and cooking. Pepper time. Oh. Just throw it in. It's all part of the fun. The vlog loves it. Personal favorite? Black pepper. Oh, get those in. These little beauties add such flavor and they crack. Oh, the intensity of the flavor in your mouth. A little explosion. Volcano City. Did I put enough in? No?
It's enough. Then
next stage is those laurel leaves. Don't forget, they're for flavor. Don't eat! Don't eat them! Seasoning time. And to your own particular flavor and taste. This is the best part. Don't forget to keep subscribing to the Corteciano vlog. It's the place to be.
Corteciano. Now you have to open it. Now you have to open it.
My biggest problem here is trying to resist eating them before putting them in. 3 to 5 should be enough for your own personal taste. Whoa! I can't wait until this is made. Corteciano Family vlog. We love it. So, seasoned pro like me, no measuring tools required. About 1 tablespoonful of the Worcestershire sauce. Whoa! There it goes. In it goes. Followed by the old favourite, soy sauce. About 4 to 5 should be ample for this. But again, flavor as you'd like yourself. There we go. And a Filipino favorite, vinegar time. Throw it all in there. Go for it. Wow. Look at that baby. Perfect. So now just cover, let it simmer, and let those juices flow. But listen, if you think this recipe is good, we soon will have a mango float coming your way. Keep it coming. Top secret, Sprite from the Coca-Cola family. Whoa, you hear that? Well, once this baby gets in here, whoa, I'll be ready for the big moment. Be generous and enjoy. Listen, oh, sizzle, 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 sizzle. And that's enough. You can see. Keep topping up the water. Keep that pork nice and tender. And in goes the water. Oh, I know you can't get the sensations here, but the aroma is so good. I'm wafting it here. Woo! Yeah. Lamig kayo. Yeah.